Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Triple J Double A Ghost Hunting. We heard a noise up in the room. I just want to go check it out. As you can see, the door is locked. Scared me. If there's something in here with me right now, knock on the wall, make a sound, show yourself. What was that? Don't know if the camera caught that, but it was a bang. I'm gonna sit here for a minute and see if they're gonna show, if they're gonna make another sound. If that was you, make that sound again, please. We've been hearing all kind of sound in this room every night. It's like somebody's walking, floors cracking, there's knocks every night. I hope my camera caught that. There was a bang, a knock. If that was you, can you do that again, please? Show yourself, make yourself known. I'm not here to hurt you, just here to help you know your story. The sound comes from where the doll is. Creepy doll. Oh my god. I'm going to figure out who it is, what they want. But I know there's something in Ashton's old room. That's why I picked this room for my haunted room. Because it's literally haunted. It's not even a joke. Oh, freaks. I don't know what the freak is going on in this room. I think I'm gonna have to do a spirit box, see what's going on, ask some questions, ask for some names, because it's getting scary and scarier and scarier. I'm not even kidding. I think my wife is even terrified. She won't even come in this room. That's why I keep it locked. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I just wanted to show you guys, like, the noise is still here. My room is still haunted. So I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Peace. Love you guys.